I'll never forget that overwhelming day at the office. The emails were piling up. My phone wouldn't stop buzzing, and a tight deadline was staring me down like a persistent shadow. Deep inside, I felt a cocktail of stress and anxiety brewing. That's when I remembered a piece of advice a good friend once gave me. Brian, when the world feels too loud, it's time to listen to yourself. I rush home, laptop in tow, and head straight to my favorite corner of the house. It's a small nook by the window where, on good days, I catch the first rays of morning sun. I reach for an old leather-bound journal, its pages slightly frayed from years of musings and reflections. It's been a while since I scribbled my thoughts, but desperate times call for familiar measures. Pouring a cup of tea, I let myself breathe out the chaos of the day. The scent of chamomile melds with the rustle of paper as I open the journal to a blank page. As the ink touches the paper, I start to write. At first, it's just the mundane details, the tasks that made my day feel so insurmountable. But slowly, it morphs into something more profound. I'm writing about my fears, my doubts, my hopes, and dreams. It's as if I'm discovering parts of myself hidden under the layers of daily responsibilities. This simple act of journaling begins to unveil a multitude of benefits. The first thing I notice is clarity. By writing down my thoughts, I'm less tangled in the web of confusion and stress. I'm able to see the problems more clearly, and almost instinctively, solutions begin to manifest themselves. Just like that time in college when I felt lost about which career path to choose until I laid it all out on paper, I'm reminded of my strengths and passions. Next comes an unexpected wave of emotional release. I've always been one to bottle things up, a trait I've been working to improve. But as the thoughts flow from my mind to the paper, I feel lighter. It's like unloading a heavy backpack after a long hike. With every word, my anxiety dissipates, replaced with a sense of calm and relief. As I delve deeper into the journal, an interesting pattern emerges. Revisiting old entries, I see how my past struggles have evolved and, more importantly, how I've overcome them. This reflection provides a much-needed boost of confidence. It's a reminder of my resilience and the growth I've achieved, just like the transformative journey I embarked on years ago that led me to this path of self-improvement. Journaling becomes a mirror, reflecting not just where I am, but how far I've come. Journaling doesn't just end with emotional clarity or confidence, though. It serves as a powerful tool for setting and tracking goals. Inspired by the clarity and emotional insights, I start outlining future aspirations in my journal. This act of writing down goals makes them feel more tangible, more real. It's a technique I've shared countless times on my YouTube and TikTok channels. And here I am, practicing what I preach. Breaking my dreams into actionable steps, I begin to see the pathway toward achieving them more vividly. That evening, as I close the journal and put away my pen, I realized that this simple practice has transformed my state of mind. What started as a stressful day has evolved into an evening of reflection and rejuvenation. Journaling has, once again, offered me a sanctuary, a space where I can be honest with myself and navigate the complexities of life. So, to anyone watching this, if you ever find yourself overwhelmed or lost, give journaling a try. It doesn't require anything fancy, just a blank page and a willingness to explore your inner thoughts. Who knows? You might just discover a treasure trove of insights within you. If you found this story resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community. Let's unlock our full potential together.